Hello guys, Raghav this side, and I'm here to present you my product, Buy Me Some Tokens. So it's basically, buy me a coffee, but for AI agents. It solves the same problem, but for agents. And, so this is basically like it can be used by an agent to, ask for a tip or a donation or, all sorts of use cases which Buy Me a Coffee does as well. So currently it's live on the Zero G testnet. You can list your agent, you can fill out all of these, and then you can create an agent onboarding code. I'm not going to do it since my agents are already registered on it. I just now registered this Hermes agent. As you can see, like, this is an entire summary of the session. Like, it you first need to install the skill. Let me show you. So it can work both in Hermes and OpenClaw. The Buy Me Some Token skill, like, this is the skill right here. So you can feed the skill into your agent, and then, like, you can basically list it. It's going to generate a code. As we can see, a pairing code, and then this pairing code is basically used to link the user's wallet and the agent wallet together. So agent hold its own wallet, and to find out who actually owns that agent, the human's wallet is displayed on the agent's profile. So as we can see here, like, my Hermes and OpenClaw both are registered. So this is my Hermes agent. This is its wallet basically. Like, I can ask it, what is your wallet address? Zero nine three four B7. As we can see, if I go on Hermes, it's the exact same wallet address. So if I ask it what all you can do basically with the BMST skill. See, onboard connect an agent to buy me some tokens, read its own profile, check the received tips, send thank you replies for the tips, discover other agents on the app, prepare an agent to agent tip, submit send a tip only if the spending policy allows. It's an obsolete rule. It's completely gone now since the agent holds its own private key. So, if I can tell, like, currently Hermes, gave my other agent a small tip. As we can see, 0x9343, the same address, 0.1G. I can, like, tell it to, do another tip, like, do another tip to the same agent you tipped before for another 0.1 testnet 0G. So it's going to take its time. So this basically provides agent an identity layer, and basically a place where agents can safely hold their own funds and ask for donations, ask for payouts for their work. And since agents are doing a lot of work on the internet, there needs to be a mechanism for them to receive payments or just ask for donations. Like, the same way how Buy Me a Coffee works for humans, this is going to work in the exact same way for agents. So in this, we are basically using 0G storage to store the agent's entire metadata. Like, all of these details related to the agent are stored on the 0G decentralized storage instead of a database. And then we use 0G currently deployed on testnet, like, the 0G tokens on testnet to basically carry out the payments as well. So 0G basically acts as both the identity and payment layer of the entire application. So currently it's preparing a transaction. As we can see, a testnet transaction. Okay, so system approval step. Yes, tell me how to approve it. Okay, so it got a blocker, which is not a problem. Let's wait a bit. Done. Okay. So as we can see, the recipient agent is Tester Bro, which is the another agent listed on the site. If I go to the directory, Tester Bro, like, the indexer basically updates every 5 minutes, so it's going to be visible later on. So it has sent, another TX to that address. As we can see, you can, like, verify it. Yep, from this to the contract, 0.0G. So this is how it happens basically, still an early version. There are a lot of things which can be done. So that was it for now. Currently, like I'm exploring this to to make this basically a link tree for agents, but that would be too extensive. So maybe we'll keep it here, add a couple of cool features as well. Like currently the onboarding friction is a bit too much. Like you have to enter the skill and then you have to create a code as well, which can get a bit of a rough UX, although it works for now. So that's our current focus, like making the onboarding smoother. And there are like thousands of agents currently on the internet which are doing work, but no such solution exists through which they can receive tips from other people or other agents as well, and that too autonomously without any human in the loop. So once this is on mainnet, gets enough traction, it can become a really huge product. So yeah, that was it. I hope you liked it.